I'm going to throw everyone's electronics in the volcano. Ha 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 ha. I'm going to take Caillou's computer and put it into the volcano. Okay, I'm going to go throw the thenewplotagon 2011 and his friends' electronics into the volcano.
When they got to the thenewplotagon 2011 single quota's house.
Okay, here's the thenewplotagon 2011 single quota's house. Let's get in. Okay, I'm going to teleport all electronics to me by using Plotagon logic. Teleport all the electronics in this house. Plotagon logic. Plotagon logic, activate. Okay, let's get everyone else's electron size.
After Classic Caillou got everyone else's electronics.
Okay, I got everyone's electronics. Now time to go to Hawaii. Teleport me to Hawaii. Plotagon logic. Plotagon logic, activate. Yes! Now let's go to the volcano. Okay, let's do it.
After Classic Caillou put all the electronics into the volcano.
Yes! I finished putting these electronics to the volcano. Now time to go home. Classic Caillou, you are under arrest for throwing everyone's electronics into the volcano. Get in my police car now.
When Classic Caillou arrived to jail.
This is your cell. You will stay here for 1 week. We have visitors.
Classic Caillou, how dare you throw everyone's electronics into the volcano? That's it. You are grounded until you get out of jail.
Wow.
I will whoop you right now. Bend down now.
Move your hands right now. Washington.
Thanks for watching.